Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm very happy to share with you how I made this okra stew without a kiln or baking soda. You are welcome to my channel. This is your kitchen clinic. If today is the first time you are watching me, hello, hello, hello. You are welcome. Please stay with me and I believe you're going to enjoy it. So quickly, let's look at the ingredients. I have okra here, then canned fish, mackerel or tin fish. Then I have here one tomato, one onion, and momone or salted fish, palm oil, cow skin, pepper, ginger, garlic, and some chopped onion. So these are the ingredients I'm using for today's recipe. It's very simple, economical, less costly. So at times it is not necessary for you to use expensive ingredients before getting a delicious meal. Yes, that is my philosophy in cooking. So I started by adding some chopped onions and the tomato on the pomo or wile or kahuru or cow skin. Yes, and way it has a lot of names. Yes, na bodin also. So I decided to add in my mackerel sauce and then put it on fire. So after putting it on fire, I go ahead and grinded my pepper or make my pepper mix. That is the pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and salt to taste. Yes, so I'll be grinding all together. After doing that, I'll go ahead and add it to the cow skin on fire. That is my spice. Yes, but it will be very delicious. So at this point, to all my viewers, to all my subscribers, I want to say I'm very grateful. God bless you all. Yeah, so look at that. Whilst it's boiling nicely, I'll go ahead and cut my okra. I'll be cutting my okra, and I decided to cut some parts and then also grated some because I want it to be slimy without the Ekau or baking soda. When you grate it, it will make it slimy. Yes, when you grate it, that is what I have seen. That is why I always decided to grate some and also cut some to feel some crunchiness in it. So after grating, I also grated in some onion, some red onion. The onion is one of the secret ingredients that make okra slimy without a kiln. So you can try it and testify. Yes, so I'm done with it. Let's go and check the ole on fire. This is how it's looking. It is nicely cooked, soft or tender, and you can enjoy it whilst everything is ready. So right away, I will just put my okra on fire, add some water to it, give it a good stir, make sure it is mixed well with the water. So I also added in some garden eggs, yes, to feel the crunchiness. You cover it and allow it to cook. That is it. Okay, let's look at that. It is boiling nicely. The sliminess. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, so it is ready. After 10 minutes of cooking, it is ready. You set it aside, then you put your saucepan on fire. After heating it up a while, you add in your palm oil. So after adding the palm oil, the momone, it's everything. I must say it is everything in okra stew. Momone or salted fish. We have a lot of salted fish or different kinds of salted fish, but go for momone if you want a delicious okra stew. Then after frying the momone, I added in my willy, pomo, cow skin or kahuru. Cover it and then allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then I added my mackerel, my tin fish. Yes, I decided to give it a gentle stir. Then goes in my okra. Hey, look at that. It's beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. Look at that. Oh, Jolly, you must try it. This is a must try. And one thing I love about this stew is that it is less expensive. I didn't bother myself to buy a lot of expensive ingredients, but the taste, the taste, it has an original taste. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it and you're going to subscribe and support us. Bye bye.